Hello everyone, welcome you all for my next lecture of the course Selenium with Java. This is lecture number 7. Today we will learn how to use Java scanner. Outline, scanner, syntax, types of input, example for scanner. What do you mean by scanner? A scanner means user input, or we can say the input given by the keyword. In the previous example, what I was using int a equals to 7, b equals means I was predefining the values. But sometimes values can be changed. We want the values will be from the user and we have to use a scanner class. Okay. So this is a syntax, how to define a scanner. Scanner, this variable can be anything. You have used symbol SC, you can write A, B, or you can write user input, whatever. Okay. So scanner, here you can define variable. The new scanner, then in brackets system.in. Remember this as should be capital, the scanner as should be capital, scanner as should be capital. Okay. Because we can say it's a non-primitive type. It's a rule. Scanner should be in capital. Okay. Now, input can be up now. Previously, in the previous lecture, we have learned different types of primitive data types. It can be int, byte, short, long, line, long, short. So, if we are using scanner, so how we will define this value is int. This value is boolean. This value is byte, double, float, line, long, short. Okay. So for that, next int reads integer value. Next boolean reads boolean value. Next byte reads byte value. Next double reads double value. Next float reads float value. Next line means line is string value. Long, long value. Short, short value. Okay. So example of a scanner, I'm directly explaining you with the Eclipse. Okay. So opening this Eclipse. See, if you have seen the previous lectures, we have already created the project name with basics of Java. In basics of Java, we have created the package Selenium Java. In package, we have created 3 examples already. Hello world example, simple example. Then we have done the various data types. Then we have done the Java operators. Today we will do the scanner. So I am clicking on my project, right click, new, then class. In new class, I am giving what we are doing today, scanner. Always should it a scanner exam. And I'm including main method. Okay, finish it. This is scanner example we are doing. Okay. So if you remember, previously we have mentioned int a equals to 5 and int b equals to 6, and we have printed the CISO command, CISO control space bar, and we mentioned the sum is a plus b like this. Okay, the sum is in double quotes. Okay, plus in bracket a plus b. Okay. Is there any error? Oh, plus sign was not there before it. Okay, I will explain this plus sign is for reference, it taking values from here, and this plus sign for operator. It's equal to should be before inverted comma. And you have run it anywhere. The answer. Clear? Sum is 11. But I don't want to give these values. I want values should be from the keyword, means at a time. Okay. So I'm just typing first. Control space bar. Okay, I'm typing. Enter the value of a. Okay, enter the value of A. I want this. Okay, and I want this C. So control space bar and enter the value of B. B. Okay, but here it answer how it will take the value. So for that we have to use the scanner class. Scanner should be with capital letter. The scanner variable you can take anyone. I'm taking SC equals to new scanner. Okay, in brackets system dot in. Okay, but why it is showing the error? Multiple marker at this line. Scanner cannot be result to a type. I'm checking. See, it will show the error because it was not error because I have not mentioned the next command that was showing error. Okay, so scanner SC is, this is a syntax. If you see here, scanner S should be capital. Okay, S is capital. This you can take any value. New scanner system.in. New scanner system.in. Just this is a syntax of scanner means it is used to indicate now you have to take the value from the keyword. This is used to mention that you are going to take value from the keyword. Okay, so for first value, just I want to first type the statement, enter the value of A. Okay, now this is to indicate only that we are going to take input from the keyboard. But how? Int value is A, because but this A value type mention is compulsory. We have learned very well in the previous lectures. A, but value is not defined. Value we are going to take from scanner. So scanner reference should be there as C. Okay, SC. Understood? See, as I have pressed dot sign, it is showing so much in suggestions. Okay, so now these all are suggestions for scanner, 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 scanner. Now I want to take int value. So for int, its suggestion is next int. Taking this. Understood? This sign. So previously I was not entered this statement that was showing error here. Okay, so don't worry. If a cross sign is here, don't worry. Just finish your whole this thing. Then see again it is error. Then it can be error. Because for mine case, I have not used this, so it was showing where we are going to take reference. Okay, so enter value of A. Done. Again, listen. Int type A, but we are not taking value. We are not giving value. Initialization is not done. We are taking value from the keyboard. So from the scanner, keyboard means scanner. So scanner, we have already mentioned here with SC, but that value should be integer type. That's why dot next int indicate that the value we are going to take from keyboard, it is a type of integer. Next, we are going to take value of B. So just print here, otherwise you will not understand the console. Enter the value of B. Again, now B, I'm taking an integer type, int B equals to, again, I'm not giving value here. I'm taking value from the scanner. So again, take the reference of scanner, SC dot, again, see the next int. Okay, semicolon. Now, next is, I'm just, next is, I'm on to want sum. Okay, so I'm written here sum is this plus A plus B, right, like this. Otherwise I can type here int C equals to A plus B. Then the sum is you have to mention here C by any method. Okay. Now let's see. Run it. Run. See at the console. Enter the value of A. Given some value 48. Enter the value of B 89. The sum is 137. Okay. So here, what is the difference if I use this command? I'll use this initialization in day 5 in P6. So every time you will run, the answer will be 11 only. 5 plus 6, 11. Every time you will run, you will get 11. But here, at every run type, you can change the value and you will get the answer 8, 9, 17. So in this way, we use the scanner. In this way, we use the scanner. We can do one more example here, like I'm keeping it whole in comment. Okay, star head, that's hash. Okay, now suppose I'm giving you calculate the area of, suppose calculate the area of triangle. Calculate the area of triangle. What is there? I'm writing in the comment. Calculate area of triangle. And you know the triangle area is 1 by 2 into base into height. Okay. So how to calculate area of triangle? Very nice. We want two variables, base and height. So first we have, I'm using scanner class. Scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in. See, already suggestions are there. So you have to type actually half only. Half is done by suggestions only. Okay. Okay. System dot in. Now, first I'm taking CSO command. Otherwise, I not understand which value I'm taking from the keyboard. Okay. It will here you will means in console you will not see anything, and it actually it will want a value of A, B, but if your comment will not pass, then you will not understand. That's why scanner CSO command is there. So enter the value of base. Enter the value of base. Okay. Now enter the value of base. Base I'm taking integer type. But you can take float type. If you want answer in float, then we'll see float also. Okay. Float B. Float B equals to 45, suppose. No, sorry, I'm not taking value. I'm taking from scanner sc dot c. Next float. Okay. Suggestion there. You don't need to type. Close it. Okay. Next is again, I want the value of height. Enter the value of height. Right? And enter the value of height. Again, I am giving height as a float type. Well, float height equals to again sc press dot float type. Okay. Yes. Now you have to define the area, means calculate the area. So I'm again taking float type. Float area equals to half, I'll write by 0.5 multiply by B multiply by H E multiply by H. It is showing error. I guess bracket is required. Mismatch cannot convert from double to float. Oh, answer is double because a decimal point will be more. Double A equals to 0.5 BH. Now, see, so print the result. The area of triangle is the area of triangle is, then after double quotes we'll use plus sign. Plus sign means to take the reference from these values. Okay, B at A. We are printing the result. Result is in A, so we are taking A. A here. Okay. Now let's see. Then under the value of base B, I am giving NT, but it can take points also like 89.562. Height. Area of triangle is 223 dot 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 this. Of course, if it's in float, we should take the more size double. Because double in double, it will take decimal point up to 15. But in float, it will take decimal up to 7. Okay. So we have calculated the area of triangle. Area of triangle is half, that is 0.5 multiplied by base. Value of base we have taken from the keyboard. Value of height we have taken from the keyboard. Okay. Then output is calculation is 0.5 base into 5. So in this way, we have done a simple program of additions by scanner, and we have done the calculate area of triangle by the scanner. So in this way, we have learned how to use scanner. Okay. So thank you so much. God bless you. Take care. We'll meet in next lecture. In next lecture, I will start conditional statement. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.